Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this Teckin smart plug. This is a set of 4 plugs. So it's listed for about $20 to $25 on Amazon, and here it is. We have the box here. This is the model SP10, and we have some QR code probably for the app. We have some specs here. You can see SP10 works only for 110 or 120 volts. But it is quite powerful, so maximum load is 1200 watts. That's a lot. You can see that. Set timers, voice control, Wi-Fi connection, app control, and yeah, it came nicely sealed. Let's see what we get. We get these 4 nice plugs here. Also we get some small instructions. I'm going to show you that pretty quickly. So I hope you can see that. I'm always going to show the user manual, so in case somebody wants to make a better buy decision or somebody bought used or lost instructions. So I'm always going to show this very quickly. If you don't need that, you can skip 1 or 2 minutes. If you want to see everything, just go to highest resolution 1080p and put it on pause so you have enough time to read everything. Here is even how to connect to Google or Alexa and all these things. So I think we are pretty much done already with it. Didn't take too much time, and here we have them. So I mean, when we are talking about smart home device or smart plugs, there are a couple of different things. So there are also outdoor plugs available if you need that, like for Christmas lights or so. It's more safe to use real outdoor devices. I mean, last Christmas I've been using such devices also outdoor, and they were a little bit protected. No rain actually there possible where I had the plugs, and so they were actually doing fine, no problem with that. And also there are things for dimmer which work with dimmers. So this is just a really good normal plug, means smart plug, but no outdoor and no dimmer. This is what you have to know. But apart from that, they are looking really good. So this is what we get. I think there's nothing else in the box here. Yeah, that's empty. These 4 plugs, and we get the manual. I'm going to show you if it works and how this works. So again, QR code is really easy to find. It is in the manual, it is on the box, and it is even on these smart plugs here in the back. Of course, you would have to zoom in a little bit, but we have it everywhere. That's definitely a good thing, and I have it already downloaded because I already had it, and not only for Teckin but also for other devices, like an outdoor device which I already had. So that's a good thing. So that's an app which not only handles the logic for Teckin but also for a lot of other devices. So it's something which you really want, so you don't have to download hundreds of apps at the end. It's something which you can use for a lot of brands. So before you start to connect with the app, you have to go to the Wi-Fi connection on your phone and make sure that you are connected with 2.4 gigahertz, otherwise it won't work. So you can go back after that to 5 gigahertz, but during the connection process you should be connected through 2.4 gigahertz. And now we can start the Smart Life app here. And of course I'm already set up. If you don't have an account, you have to set up your account. When you are here on this home screen, you press the plus icon here on the right top. So we are here to set up these things on this page, and now we are adding this to the power. Let's see, we have a steady light. I think we have to press for 5 seconds. Yeah, you can hear this when it's confirmed, and then you should have like a fast flashing light, which we have here. So we click on lighting and socket Wi-Fi, and here we see that we should have like a blinking, fast blinking light. and we confirm that we have this. We should be on 2.4 gigahertz. Yes, we are, and we confirm that. So let's see if we can connect through this here. So it took a little bit of time, maybe 20 seconds or so, but definitely wasn't too difficult. It says smart socket device added successfully done, and probably we can even give it then some name and now start to add schedule or timer or whatever we want to do here. So you can see we can turn it on and turn it off. So we check that with this thing here. That's this load tester. I hope you can see that now. So we are testing here with 1 amp and yeah, maybe a little bit more, so we can see the fan going. That would be easier maybe, but you can still see the light here, and whenever I push here it will turn off immediately. You can see really nice thing here, and I can turn it on again and the light comes on, not only here but here. So you can see it's definitely super easy, and we have here timer, so you can just set like any time and then it will start running like for 8 hours and 30 minutes, for example, and after that it will turn off. Or we can add a schedule. And I've already added these things, and it's super easy actually. We just set turn on times and turn off times. We set the time, I mean the start time and the end time, and we set also the days. So that's really super easy. So you can see here we can just have it like start time is now, end time is even in the evening. We have these days here, we save it and it would run on the schedule, and we can just turn on or turn off this schedule again. So super easy, and yeah, as easy as it gets actually. So after it's set up on the app, I mean, we can also use directly here outside with the app, or we can go to Google Home and add this device to Google Home, and we can give it a name and then just say like, hey Google, turn on Teckin 1, something like that. You can see, yeah, I have to stop this, otherwise it tries to do something crazy thing. We can also use it directly here in the plug if you don't want to use the app or something like that, or Google Assistant, so you can just turn it on and turn it off here. I really love this smart life. I'm doing the programming for a lot of different devices. Always worked, really reliable, really good. And I have no doubt that it will be the same for these things. So it's also a good thing to know that we can just move these like to another router. If you move to another location or get a new router, that you know it's so super easy to connect, and you don't have to worry about being stuck for hours to reconnect these things to a new router. That's always good to know. It's really as easy as it gets. So yeah, from my side, definitely full recommendation for that, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. And definitely I will put down the link to the Amazon listing of this really nice smart plug down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.